welcome back to my channel. Friends, Bella here, and in today's video I have a review for you guys. So yeah, you guys know that I have been using a lot of Teami blends products for quite some time now. I've done a lot of videos with hauls to show things that I often buy from Teami, so I'm just gonna link that in the description, and I'll leave a tab up here so that you guys can click on that if you want to see some of the things that I get on a regular. Today in this video I will be reviewing two of Teami products that I've been taking for almost a month now, and I know you guys are wondering, is it worth my money? Does the product actually work? This is an honest review. It is not sponsored, so I'm just gonna tell you what the products have been doing for me during the time that I've been taking them. So I'm actually gonna repurchase them and if I actually recommend them. If you want to see that, stick around to the video and let's just jump right into that. So first up is Gut Love. Teami Gut Love is a probiotic, prebiotic powder. This is one of the introduction into the inner wellness product line that Teami has. All of their products has to do with beauty from the inside out. It smells so good. This is the triple berry flavored one, and I got this one because they have two of them, but I got this one because I was thinking to myself, like, maybe the natural one doesn't really have much of a taste. I like flavored stuff, and I got the triple berry flavored one because I was thinking, okay, it's gonna smell like berries, and guys, I'm telling you, it does. It smells heavenly, and like I left like only 2 scoops in here because I want to show you guys how I actually use this product. All my family members, we talk about this all the time, is like we just want to stay young and look young forever. If your focus is like getting yourself looking beautiful from the inside out, then Gut Love and other Teami products would actually help you to achieve that. Triple berry flavored Gut Love is vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, corn-free, sugar-free, and there are no binders in here. Like, I really love that because I went dairy-free, so this is actually a really good supplement for me because I'm not intaking dairy products. I want to be healthy for the long term, so that's one of the reasons why I got Teami products. It actually helps with your immune system and it balances your mood as well. My mood just flips like the weather sometimes. Like, if you're in that kind of situation like me, then this Teami product would actually help to balance your mood, balance your health, boost your immune system, and also help you to achieve inner wellness and beauty as well as a belly balance. My belly is one of the parts of the body that I love so much, and let me tell you, I bloat all the time for menstrual reasons, for fibroid reasons, because I have uterine fibroids, and sometimes the bloating is something that I cannot control. So when I saw the Gut Love product, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give this a try because I am doing exercises that are geared towards helping me enhance my health and also to prevent bloating and things like that. I bought it and I used it and I was not disappointed. I really love the fact that it actually helped me to look less bloated. That was the plus. I didn't know it was gonna do that because I know sometimes products will claim that they do certain things and then you just have to give it a try to see if it actually works. So when it worked for me, I was like really surprised. I actually liked the fact that it helped me to keep my belly in a balanced state, just like they claimed. So that's really amazing. If you're looking for something with belly balance, something for gut health, something to help with your inner wellness, then you can't beat this product. This is actually a really good one. In here, it has like 7 strands of probiotics and 20 billion probiotics as well. What are probiotics though? These are beneficial bacteria and it's actually in our body. Our body produces it and it helps with our digestion, our immune system. It helps with the balance and functioning of our body every day. It's in different kind of foods that we eat because these are live bacteria and you can find them in live foods like yogurt. They're not shelf stable, and like if you want to have a probiotic in a powder form, this is actually shelf stable and you can have this whenever you want, on the go, anytime you feel like you can just have your probiotics. I love that because I cannot get some probiotics from certain foods like yogurt because I'm dairy free. I have to make my own yogurt, and sometimes I'm telling you, it's a long process and I am tired most of the time. So if I can get my prebiotics powder right here on the go, then that would have been amazing for me. So that's why I opted for this one. I'm going to show you guys how I make my smoothie and how I do it with water. Got all my fruits in here, some bananas, some strawberries, non-dairy milk, and some gut love powder in here. So I'm gonna make it in my Teami smoothie maker. And it's done. That's fire. If you're on the go, you're in a hurry, you just flip your cap on and it is ready to go. This is a quick jump start for your day, and I'm telling you, it doesn't leave an aftertaste. You can taste all the fruits in there with the flavors. Everything is just right. I give it like a 10 out of 10 because this is just so light and tastes so good. You have it on the go and your day is fine. This is just pure gut love powder and water. There's no aftertaste and no real taste. It just tastes like water. Trust me, it tastes like water. And it doesn't leave any weird aftertaste. So if you are a person who doesn't like when your supplements or your powders have a weird taste, then this would actually be superb for you because there is literally no taste. So I'll give it a 10 out of 10. It has probiotics. It's doing the work. It's for your gut health. It's for balancing your belly functions, for your immune system, and it does help you. So when you invest in your inner wellness, that is like one of the best things that you could ever do in your life. So I love these products so far. And next up, I'm gonna do another Teami product, which is the Beauty Butterfly Collagen. Let's just jump right into reviewing the Beauty Butterfly Collagen. I was super pumped about it. I really couldn't wait to get my hands on it. I got my hands on this jar right here. I've gone all the way through it. The butterfly pea flower is actually the tea infused part of this supplement. It is what actually gives the supplement this nice color that you guys can see. It has really nice detailing right here. The flowers are amazing. There's also acai berries in here as well. If you know anything about acai berries, you know that it is rich in antioxidants. When I go shopping, I always make sure I pick up one of the organic acai berry drink. It just helps me to work on my inner beauty, and it also has marine collagen. Our body has type 1 collagen, and what Teami does is make sure that this is actually type 1 too. And then they went premium grade by getting the scale from the fish that actually gives you the top quality collagen that you could ever find, the purest form. I didn't even know this thing had a smell. Yeah, it does have a fish smell, but it's not overpowering, and it actually disappears as soon as you put it in your smoothie. Like, I'm like so amazed when that happened. It was like, I'm not against fish oils or fish scales because as a kid, cod liver oil was something that my mom always gave me every single day. So I'm not against fish. Collagen is actually great for your skin, for your hair, for your nails, for your bones, for your tendons. Collagen is already in our body. And have you ever wondered why babies are so smooth? Oh my God, it's because they have an abundance of collagen that is produced in our body. So we already have collagen in our body, but as soon as we get to our 20s, then that kind of protein that's in our body starts to decrease. And to have that in this jar right here that is shelf sustainable is just one of the most amazing things. Talk about the beauty holy grail elixir powder, and you are talking about this right here because this hands down is actually one of the products that has so many benefits. These fish are caught, they are not reared in a pond, or they are not processed, which means there is less mercury in them, less toxins in them, less metal, heavy metal in them. The quality is top notch. This one is strictly recommended for smoothies, so that's the only way you can get rid of the fishy smell. And like if you're worried about the fishy smell, you just add like a scoop in your smoothie and you have your full entire boost of collagen daily intake for an entire day. So that's amazing. I'm gonna make this smoothie right now, so let's go. I'm using bananas because I really do love bananas, and I'm gonna be putting a pineapple in here and some oranges. Gonna add some milk and a scoop of my favorite powder. Then I'm gonna pop the top on. And we're blending. It's actually done really quick. Love this Teami smoothie maker. By far the fastest one I've had in my entire life. There's no fishy smell. And there's no fishy taste. So perfect. I would give this a 10 out of 10. This is definitely something that I'm going to repurchase. I'm about to stock up on some Gut Love and also some of the Beauty Butterfly Collagen. These are the two that surprised me the most out of all the products that I've tried from Teami so far. Of course, I have Teami Greens and I have Teami Wellness Powder, strawberry flavor, and I've tried the natural flavor before. Love them. By far, these two have like got me, and I think these are at 10 out of 10. Very great blending and synergy and mixing techniques by Teami with these two supplements, and I'm just loving them. So yeah, is it worth your money? Well, you be the judge of that. I think I would love to have my intake, my daily intake of collagen and my daily intake of probiotics and prebiotics. So that's why I'm spending my money. Are they non-dairy? Are they gluten-free? Are they non-GMO? Yes, definitely. You can check out the product information page on Teami's website. Most of them are actually vegan friendly, actually a plus for me. I'm on a health journey to make sure that I'm creating a beautiful me from the inside out, and inner wellness is actually one of those things that you can't go wrong with. It's just a beautiful thing. You have to invest in your inner beauty, and like Teami blends have helped me so much, and I really love that. So yeah, if you guys have used their products and want to share what you think about them, no problem, drop it in the comment section down below. And if this video helped you, please let me know as well. You can drop your comments down below. I will leave all the information to the smoothies that I made in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.